young generation of white, black, brown, whatever else there is, you're living at a time of extremism, a time of revolution.
What is it revolting against? The power structure. The American power structure, you know. The French power structure, you know. The English power structure, you know. Then what power structure? An international Western power structure.
And I, for one, will join in with anyone, don't care what color you are, as long as you want to change this miserable condition that exists on this earth.
Yeah. Oh, let's talk about a revolution. Revolution cause you can't feed your family right. Revolution cause it's not safe to walk at night. Revolution cause pollution got me sick. Revolution waste management is toxic. Revolution, I can see it happen any day. Revolution, people not happy here anyway. Revolution, cause the government been lying to us. Revolution, all they ever do is try and screw us. Revolution, cause we ain't got health care. Revolution, right now, I ain't never scared. Revolution, when there ain't no more trees to blow. Revolution, when my herbs are unnatural. Revolution, blow the horns, let the trumpet sound. Revolution, right now, sun is going down. Revolution, put your fist up, prepare to fight. Revolution, when you must defend your own rights. Can you hear it? Hear the sound? Revolution, revolution. Can you hear it? Hear the sound? Revolution, revolution. Put your fist up, rally in the street, get your march on, step to the beat. Get your fist up, rally in the street, get your march on, son, step to the beat. Revolution, I can feel it about to pop, son. Revolution, I think I'm gonna have to pop guns. Revolution, I see so many reasons why. Revolution can show me the reason to die. Revolution, RBG, this is a call to arms. Revolution, red, black, and green, trying to drop the bomb. Revolution round the corner, waiting for the time. Revolution on my mind when I'm writing lines. Revolution, you can hear it in my music. Revolution in the person that produced it. Revolution, something gotta change quick, fast. Revolution, nobody get a free pass. Revolution, come on, tell me what you're afraid of. Revolution, making marches and parades of. Revolution, my solution is the rise of. Revolution, who else gon' do it besides us? Can you hear it? You hear the sound? Revolution, revolution. Can you hear it? You hear the sound? Revolution, man, revolution, man. Put your fist up, rally in the street, get your march on, son, step to the beat. Put your fist up, rally in the street, get your march on, son, step to the beat.
There's a worldwide revolution going on.
And in my opinion, the young generation of white, black, brown, whatever else there is, you're living at a time of extremism, a time of revolution.